So we spent the last couple weeks about graphing equations in slope-intercept form. So today's notes, we need to learn how to write equations when we're given various pieces of information. So this title is Writing Equations of Lines in Slope-Intercept Form. Now remember, that is y equals mx plus b. Today, I'm just going to ask you to know how to write an equation in slope-intercept form if I give you a graph. So again, here it is, slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. It's really important that you know that because in the coming weeks, we're going to learn another form. So slope is m. And because we're using a graph, I want you to use the counting method. We've been using the counting method for the past couple of weeks. So remember, this is the rise over the run. When you rise, you go up or down. When you run, it's left or right. You've written this several times now. And you should know which words are the negative words. Down is negative, left is negative, up is positive, right is positive. That's slope. So you're going to pick some points, use the counting method, you're going to find slope. The y-intercept is your b. So y-intercept, you're going to look for the point that crosses the y-axis. Remember, the y-axis runs vertically, so you're looking for that point. So I have a guided example here for you. Let's check it out. So, on this graph, there's this point down here, 0, -3, and 1, 1. If you notice, right here is the counting method for slope. It says up 4, so you go up 4, right 1. Up 4, right 1 is 4 over 1, or just a 4 for your m. You look for the point where it crosses the y-axis. That is the point 0, -3. So that means b is -3. Then you just take those two pieces of information and you sub it in for m and b. And you get y equals 4x minus 3. And that's the process I want you to follow when trying your examples. Let's move on. So in example number 1, you pick any 2 points that you want. I'll pick this point and this point. So we're going to do the counting method. 1, 2, 3. So this is up 3. That's the letter M for slope. And then you go right 1. That is positive 3 over 1, or a 3. You look for the point where it crosses the y-axis. That is the ordered pair, I believe, 0, -2. So your b is -2. Therefore, when you substitute it back in, you get y equals 3x minus 2. If you know what you're doing, you could pause the video now and try some, and then push play and see if you got the right answers. So I'm going to just keep on demonstrating. Number 2, I'm going to pick this point and this point. This is down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Now remember, down is -1. Right is positive 1, so that's a -1 for your slope. The b is this ordered pair, 0, +2, so b is 2. So the equation would be y equals -x plus 2. If you put a 1 there, that's fine. I usually don't, but it's okay if you do. And the last one on the top row, I'm going to pick this point to this point. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right 4. That's positive 5 over 4, and that does not simplify. This is the y-intercept, which is the ordered pair 0, 5. So your b is 5. So this equation would be y equals 5/4 x plus 5. There's 3 more at the bottom. Again, you could pause it. I'm not going to put all the work with these ones, but you can pause it, try them, and then check it. So, on number 4, I'm going to go from this point to this point. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 4 is -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right 6 is +6. And that simplifies to be -2/3. The b in this case is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. So we're going to count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a -6. So this equation would be y equals -2/3 x minus 6. Oh, number 5. I noticed this is a horizontal line. So we've been talking about horizontal lines. You all have been graphing horizontal lines, so you should know the slope of a horizontal line is 0. That means there's no x. The b is the spot where it crosses the y-axis, which is here, which is +2. Therefore, this equation is just going to be y equals 2. Hopefully you're getting these right. Last one. I'm going to pick this point and this point. Down, 1, 2, that's a -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a +5. That cannot be simplified. There's my y-intercept. That is down, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. So the last answer would be y equals -2/5 x minus 4. And that is how you write an equation in slope-intercept form given a graph. You have to know the slope. You have to know the y-intercept. Good luck. Email me if you have any questions.